How to import Outlook emails into Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then open Gmail in desktop form. You can do it by tapping on the three dot and selecting this desktop site. After that, go to settings. Then go to see all settings. Then go to accounts and import. Then go to import mail and contacts. After that, enter your Outlook account. Then go to continue, log into your Microsoft account, and then give access to import Outlook emails to Gmail. And you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.